Hello YouTube, I am back. I'm Roger Taylor. Welcome to my 3D printing and everything else channel. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. What we have here today is another project designed by me. Here's the finished product. I'm going to show you the process of how I designed, print, and painted it. So I designed it with Design Spark Mechanical, which is a cool little free little program. Also, I use Matter Control to print with on my Robo 3D, and hand paint it with just regular acrylic paint. Well, it's a quick gabbing. I'm going to show you how I did it. First, we're going to take you to Thingiverse. I'm DJ Hammerboy, and this is where you will find my file. I will set the link in the description below if you want to download it. It's pretty simple, cut and dry to the point. Just simple little pixel design, really. You look at the 3D versions, nothing fancy, but it's pretty cool. When you go back and paint it, it looks really neat. Basically, I'm printing with Robo 3D with PLA filament. No rafts, no supports, 0.2 resolution at 20% fill because it's real simple, nothing fancy. And I print it with Matter Control here. Here's what it looks like on Matter Control. Like I said, those were the settings I just read to you. So right now I'm going to show you the time-lapse video of the print. And then we're going to take you on to the, well, actually I'm going to take you to the design first, and then I'm going to do time-lapse video, and then show you the paint job and the process of what it takes. And then, again, I'm going to show you the final project. here's the finished product. The 8-bit pixel tortoiseshell, designed and printed by me. If you want to see more, like and subscribe to my videos. Or if there's anything perhaps you want to see, let me know. If you don't like my stuff, tell me. Comment in the comments below. I will respond to whatever I can when I can. I will have more videos come to you soon. Please like and subscribe. Helps me. More channels. Thank you. Have a good one.